Hey guys, we're looking at the Cincom leg massager in this video. So this comes with two separate leg attachment pieces that attach to the main controller. So this is the right one. I just showed the light one. It does up basically by Velcro and you size it up to your leg size. Then you select the air pressure setting you want 1 through 3, and it has two different modes. Mode 1 is just a general relaxation massage via those airbags, and then mode 2 is more focused for people who are hoping to aid in RLS or edema, or who have varicose veins, or just like generally want to increase the blood flow there. So you can see I've turned it on. I'm just selecting the settings I want. Power button, super large and easy to read. And basically it just has air basically come in and out through these 4 airbags progressively throughout your massage. It'll go for about 20 minutes and then it will auto shut off after your massage time is complete. You do need to have both attachments plugged into the base to have it work, and the whole device itself does need to be plugged into the wall. That's how it runs. But overall, a great massage, super relaxing. You can apply it to your calves, feet, hands, anywhere you like. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.